Everyone, my name is Joshua. In this video, I'm going to explain my simple Python project called Weather Checker. This program uses if-else statement to give weather advice based on the temperature. So first, the program asks the user to enter the temperature for today. After that, it checks the value using several if, else if, and else condition. If the temperature is 35 degrees or higher, the program tells the user that it is very hot. If it's around 25, it says the weather is warm. If it's around 15, it reminds you that it's a bit cool. If the temperature goes lower, it warns that it is cold or very cold. If it's the temperature below zero, it says it is freezing. So, each message is based on the condition that matches the temperature user entered. This program is simple, but it helps show how if-else works in Python by making decisions depending on the number we give. And that's my weather checker program. Thanks for watching.